Imagine a world where the quality of every product you use is flawless, where production errors are caught before they ever reach you. This utopia is increasingly within reach, thanks to AI-powered quality control. AI-powered quality control uses artificial intelligence to enhance and automate the inspection process in manufacturing and production. Traditionally, quality control has relied heavily on human workers to identify defects, which is not only time-consuming, but also prone to human error. AI changes this by employing machine learning algorithms and computer vision to analyze products in real time, detecting even the smallest anomalies that the human eye might miss. These systems are trained on vast datasets, allowing them to learn what a perfect product should look like and to identify deviations with remarkable accuracy. Consider the automobile industry, where precision is paramount. Each car comprises thousands of components, and even a minor flaw can lead to significant safety issues. In the past, quality control involved manual inspections, which, while effective, could be inconsistent due to factors like fatigue or oversight. Now, with AI, cameras equipped with computer vision technology scan every inch of a vehicle during assembly. These AI systems can detect defects in paint jobs, misalignments in parts, or even tiny cracks that might suggest structural weaknesses. The AI doesn't tire, doesn't have off days, and operates with a level of precision that dramatically reduces the margin of error. Another compelling example is the pharmaceutical industry, where the stakes are incredibly high. Ensuring the quality of medication is crucial as it directly impacts human health. AI-driven systems inspect tablets and capsules for imperfections, such as incorrect shapes, sizes, or even foreign contaminants. They can process thousands of units per minute, a feat impossible for a human workforce. In the electronics industry, where components are becoming increasingly miniaturized and complex, AI-powered quality control is indispensable. With circuit boards, for instance, a single faulty connection can render an entire device useless. AI systems equipped with advanced imaging technologies can inspect these boards, identifying defects invisible to the human eye. This ensures that each component functions correctly before it becomes part of a larger system, reducing the risk of future failures and recalls. The impact of AI-powered quality control extends far beyond immediate production benefits. It represents a shift towards a future where manufacturing is more sustainable and efficient. By minimizing waste and reducing the need for rework, these systems contribute to lower production costs and less environmental impact. However, the integration of AI and quality control also raises concerns about job displacement. As machines take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, there is a risk of reduced employment opportunities in certain sectors. Yet, it also creates new roles focused on developing, managing, and maintaining these advanced systems. Looking ahead, the evolution of AI-powered quality control could lead to even more profound changes in how products are designed and manufactured. With AI's ability to provide detailed insights into the production process, manufacturers can continuously refine their methods, ultimately leading to products that are not just free from defects, but also optimized for performance and sustainability. As technology advances, the line between quality control and design may blur, with AI playing a central role in creating products that are both innovative and impeccably crafted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more insights.